welcome back, not to the R44 workshop, but to a cool company over here in Doha, Qatar, called Buzz Performance. We are here with a G87 M2, finished in Brooklyn Grey. It's pretty much a stock car, but there's some crazy stuff on the rear, which we'll highlight a little bit later. But for now, what can you see in front? It's the full MHC G87 M2 kit. So as you can see, you've seen edition 1 of this video where I ran through the design and the rendering and kind of the CAD models and kind of the cool features, then into the production over in the UK. Early on this week that was happening, and now we flew to Qatar last night and arrived here to modify this car to create some cool content, a little bit different. We can all do it all in the UK or Europe or the US, but we thought we'd spice it up for this car because it is something special. So as you can see, we've got the edition 1 front lip, edition 1 side skirts, edition 1 rear diffuser in 3 pieces. We do have the spoiler, but we'll show you what's already been installed to this car, which is an MHC G82 rear wing. Yeah, we're going to run you through it. We're going to hopefully create a really cool car. We've got some other bits to do. We're just going to put the spacers on it just to widen it up, but it won't be lowered for this video. But yeah, this will be the first car fitted with the edition 1 kit. Before we fly back to the UK, we can showcase our car and then head over to BIMECC, where we release our car and Story BMW's M2 for BIMECC next weekend. But this is Saturday morning here in Qatar. It's time to go crazy. All right, guys and girls, let's walk through each product and kind of the design features that MHC's kind of wrapped into these. So obviously, let's pick up the front lip. Before we install it, let's run through some bits. So obviously all OEM fixings with some adjustment. We've got some rebates there for some fixings underneath that we'll show you. But when you put it up to the car, it's a crazy tight fit. So it follows the body line all the way around, has a really nice radius that follows this line, comes around, swoops up to the body line, pushing that airflow straight into these ducts. Got this SP1 style. We'll call it SP1 because SP1 is MHC's first front lip. They actually, I think, released one of the first front lips for the G82 platform about 2.5 years ago, and had this little design feature down the middle. I quite like it. I don't like a too crazy split. I quite like something that's a bit consistent and smooth, and I think this suits the car because there's just so much happening here. But yeah, that's pretty much the front lip. It's nice and easy to install. There's some additional fixings there because this is designed to go on a car that goes quite fast, so some self-tappers in there and some adhesive tape along the front just to tighten it up, make it sure it's nice and tight to the body line. Let's roll straight into the side skirts, Dylan. These are a bit controversial. If you're from England or you've ever had anything in England, it's called Marmite. It's not everybody loves it, but there's this return on the back edge. But if you look at down this side profile, Dylan, look how wide the rear arches are on the G87 M2. Again, we've prepped this slightly differently. On yours, you'll get a consistent run of adhesive tape all the way along. We've just broken this down because we are going to be testing around, taking some photos and things like that. I don't want to be replacing full lengths of tape every minute, but your one will come with a consistent amount of tape. But if we offer this up, again, this one doesn't use OEM fixings, it's just self-tapping and adhesive tape. This is because the OEM fixings are over here, which are pretty useless when the edge of the side skirt is so far away. When you step down, you would just break the side skirt. So bringing it in, lines up tight here because it is such an aggressive rear front arch, and then going down the rear you can see it's aggressive and then it just pulls in slightly, and I think it's going to be really good, especially when the car's lowered and stanced up on some wide rims. You'll really appreciate this design because if it's stuck out just too far at the edge there, it'd be a bit crazy because this is so aggressive. So yeah, that is the edition 1 side skirt. Let's cut that there. Let's find you guys on the rear of it. So we find us at the back of the car. The diffuser, initial comments have been, oh, we want something more aggressive from some people. Some people say it's just perfect. And when you look at it, MHC's maintained some of the OEM designs. The M Performance diffuser is pretty much exactly the same but in carbon, whereas this has additional 2 fins and a rebated section, and we'll showcase this more in photos and some close-up video. But it's quite a cool detail. It adds a bit of aggression because this is just a flat surface, so this comes up. But if you just offer this up, I think it looks pretty clean. And this again is the edition 1 kit, so MHC will release new parts in the future that are more aggressive, more suited to someone that wants something crazy aggressive, but I think this is just enough for the rear of the car. And then we've got these corners. I'm not sure if you can see it from there, Dylan, but if you come over here, these are to add that aggressive piece. So these are actually going to be available separately. We're just working on it with MHC because we've had some really good comments to say, oh, can I have these instead of the full diffuser, save some money, maybe invest it somewhere else when you first get the car and then build onto the diffuser. So we're working if that's possible, but for now it's going to be sold as a pair for the foreseeable, just for the moment, but we're trying to get it because it is obviously comes out of mold together. But let's go in there, 2 OEM screws, a bit of adhesive tape. It goes straight into that like that, and it offers up and it will fit nice and tight, and I think it just adds that little bit extra to the rear end that the car needs. But yeah, what can you notice? Already it's got an R44 exhaust system, so a full titanium system which will look underneath the car, and an MHC rear spoiler. So obviously M2 rear spoiler comes up and it's pretty much like an old school Supra spoiler from a Mark IV, but guys over at Buzz, they had this in stock at the time. So if you're in the Middle East, Qatar, anywhere around here, Buzz Performance are great people, and they stock quite a lot of the MHC range already. If you need anything, it's pretty quick shipment from MHC direct to them. So looking pretty baller. It's something different, and we also have some spoiler options here, so we can show you guys around them later. But I just want to get this installed, so I'm going to love and leave you. Let's get this car up in the air and let's get this front lip off. To the G87 Edition 1. In full glory, Brooklyn Grey, Motorsport Plus DRLs fitted with the MHC Edition 1 kit all the way around. We've also fitted some 12-15 spacers, as you saw, just to add that stance, but obviously it does need a good lowering. But overall, how amazing does the kit look? Honestly, from me seeing from the progress, from the scanning to the design, the development, all of us all chatting in WhatsApp group chats for weeks on end, looking at the design. Bit controversial, this return here, and just I think it looks amazing. The lines just work perfectly. They flow up into here. As it gets wider, it returns in, just to give it some real big booty shit, really. Looking to the rear, you've got the Edition 1 rear diffuser, very OEM plus, very clean with the side splats, paired up with the R44 titanium system. And of course, shout out to Buzz Performance, who fitted the MHC G87 rear wing on the back of the car. I think it pairs up crazy compared to the original kind of wing that was released on the car. I think this looks amazing, suits the car really well. But there you go, let's get out, let's get shooting in Qatar, Doha, and let's have some fun.